Okay, in this video I'm going to be changing a cabin air filter for a 2018 Ford Escape S with a 2.5 liter engine, the non-EcoBoost engine. There's the Ford Escapes with the 1.5 EcoBoost engine and 2.0 EcoBoost engine. And I'll put a link in the description box showing the tow weight between the difference as well. Your cabin air filter in the 2.5 liter Ford Escape engine from 2014 to 2018 will be located right here, and it will not take the cylinder engine air filters, it will take the flat engine air filters, cabin air filters I mean. They'll look like that there. And the engine air filters for the 1.5 EcoBoost engine and 2.0 EcoBoost engine for 2014 to 2018 Ford Escapes will be the cylinder, the round ones, and this will be a hell of a lot bigger. And then you'll have 4 screws, one here, one at the back corner, left hand corner, back right hand corner, and bottom right hand corner. But since this is a 2.5 liter IVCT I-4 engine, it uses the flat engine air filters, and it'll have clamps that hold it. So first you'll have to have your engine turned off, and then pull this red thing back, and then pull it off. May have to wiggle it side to side and pull back. Then I just have 2 clamps. There'll be one right here, you push it back, and then one right back here. That'll be a pain in the ass to get to, located right there. So you'll push it back. And there it is. And then you'll pull this back because it's in slots right there. You'll pull back. It might be best to pull back here and pull back to get it out, and then pull up, push it back. And this, I'd suggest changing the engine air filter every 15,000 miles. If you live in a real dusty area and go back and forth a lot through the dusty area, your engine air filter or engine air filter will most likely get dirty a lot quicker. Right now I'm working in an area where I have to go down the dirt road, and my mileage is pretty much right at 16,000, so I'll go ahead and change this out. I'll put the link also for the FRAM air filter. The engine air filter you'll be looking for a from 2014 to 2018 Ford Escape, regardless of the model, whether it's S, SE, or titanium, as long as it is the 2.5 liter IVCT I-4 engine. Mainly the main thing you need to know is the 2.5 liter rather than the 1.5 or 2.0, which tend to be the EcoBoost ones. This is not EcoBoost. You'll be looking for the CA11456, and it'll be the flat one. The EcoBoost engines that use for the Ford Escape that use engine air filters will be round, and this air filter compartment will be a lot bigger. And I suggest kind of cleaning it out too. I'll be using Armor All air freshening cleaning wipes to clean out the engine air filter compartment. So let's give it a good clean wipe. Kind of get the dust and what all out. And if you don't change these out, it can affect your gas mileage and lead to far worse problems in the future, like engine problems, because just like with Anything that has the air filter, if you don't clean it, it'll make the rest of the, eventually, depending on how caked up it gets, it'll eventually lead to where the machine or whatever has to work a lot harder. So, and your air filter will go right here. Slide it in, and this is a FRAM extra guard air filter, 11456 for the Ford Escape with the 2.5 liter engine. The Ford Escapes with the 1.5 and 2.0 EcoBoost engines, they will use a CA11456, I think it is. It'll anyways be a round engine air filter. Okay, now we'll put this back on. Slide it back in. And this is, of course, going to be probably more of a pain in the ass. So we'll push it back and it'll go into those slots. Motherfucker. Okay, now you'll put back the clamps. The other one's going to be back here and a pain in the ass to get to. Fucker. And now you'll put this back on right here. Push it forward and then pull that forward so it locks. And just remember, the Ford Escape with the 2.5 liter engine, the non-EcoBoost engine, will take the CA11456, give its FRAM extra guard. And all Ford Escape models from 2014 to 2018 have the cabin air filter too, which will also need to be changed. Now, put the link in the description box of my videos showing how to get to it as well. This will be it for this video.